Most of us have seen these kinds of viral videos with a cozy and relaxing atmosphere and beautiful scenery in the background. These videos are getting millions of views, and obviously these creators are making money. Today I will show you how to make these amazing videos using AI so that you can also start your faceless channel and make money. Without wasting any time, let's dive in. I've discovered a fast and easy method to create these mesmerizing videos. But before I start the process, let me give you a glimpse of the magic that awaits you pretty incredible right now. Let me show you how to create these amazing videos in just 3 simple steps by using AI. Step 1, go to ChatGPT, open ChatGPT and input this prompt. You can copy the prompt that I am using from description of the video and feel free to make changes in the prompt according to your own need. Once ChatGPT do its magic, pick your favorite scene from the generated options. Now that you've got your ideal scenery, let's move to step 2, image generation. For that I will use Leonardo AI, which you can use for free with 150 credits that you get every day, and this should be enough for what we need. Now just go to Leonardo AI, paste your prompt here, and click Generate. Select the best one and download the image. Step 3, go to RunwayML website and sign up for a free account. You can also get the membership for HD quality and no watermark. Once you're in dashboard, click on the Generate Video option, and from here, click on Imagine Video feature. Now upload the image that we just created using Leonardo AI and click on Generate. It will take some time to generate the video. Once the video is generated, click on Extend button and watch the magic. There you go, you've just created a serene, relaxing video effortlessly. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, and I'll see you in next video.